matted trees really benefit from being staked and wrapped, depending on the tree, depending on the location. The kicker, you have to make sure you use the right kind of wrap and you don't leave it on the tree too long. This is a good example of a wrap that works because it's light colored, so it's not going to heat up. It's got a slit in it, so it's easily pulled off when it needs to be pulled off. And that should happen after a season because you want to make sure there are no critters in there, there have been no insects in there. If you need to rewrap that tree, you can rewrap it the following season. If you leave those stakes on a tree more than 1 year, chances are that tree has not gotten a chance to settle in. This has wire in it, so you have to really be careful about that because that can actually cut through the strapping. And you want to make sure that you are not so tight with that stake that the tree cannot move. It needs to be able to move, to be able to set that caliper on, establish itself so that that tree is in the ground, well wrapped, well staked.